Yes guys, it's Roman and today we are in Ghent, Belgium. This is the third largest city in Belgium and in fact the most beautiful. Here in Ghent we have a population of approximately 249,000 and we have around 250 different types of beers. Exciting, no? And the fact that we're in Belgium, it means that we have a lot of fries, or the famous Belgian fries. Also, something to notice that we are currently in the city centre, and behind me this fabulous building is the ex-post office, which is now a hotel. Anyways, let's come on a tour with me, and as I go through I will make short commentaries. Let's go. Alright, so right now we are in what is considered the most beautiful spot in Ghent, which that might be subjective. Anyways, just quickly to note, here in this part of the area you have these three churches behind us which still maintain the medieval style of architecture. And I will note one interesting fact about Ghent is that it's known as the city of rebels. And I suppose that there is reason for that, considering that King Charles V was actually, let's say, a tyrant here. In that, even though he was born here, he still treated people pretty roughly, pretty difficult, where he would bury them alive, or he would simply punish them quite cruelly for anyone who opposed them. So yes, a city of rebels. Sounds interesting. Let's go. Alright, so right behind me and what you guys just saw is the Gravenstein. And this is one of the most dated fortresses here in Ghent. And what's so special about it is that the counts of Flanders used to live here. I'll leave some more information down in the description box, so just check it out. And before we move on, here we have one of the famous, let's say, sweets here in Ghent. And it's called, well, the translation is Noses. And the original name, I'll put it here. Alright, so I'll give you guys my reaction, being as honest as possible. So I'm told that the purple ones are the best. Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's shaped like a nose. It's like okay. Oh, wow. Okay, it's like gel inside. It's sweet. Then it's like fresh. Oh, I like it. No, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's like there's jello inside. Okay, I think it's like maybe a 8 out of 10. Alright, yes guys, so we are at the end of our trip for today. I hope you enjoyed the view of Ghent. What I absolutely love about the Belgian fries is that even after they get cold, they still maintain their taste and their flavor and their, let's say, hardness or texture. That is simply amazing for me. The second thing is that here in Ghent, you have a particular cultural festival that's called Gentenfeesten. Yes, I butchered the word, I'm sorry. And as I said, it's a cultural festival which happens every year. And so what happens is that this is for about 10 days and people like it so much that the very last day is technically called, well, in essence, your broken wallet, where it just simply means that you have no money because you just spent that money already. And the next thing I'd like to note is that here in Ghent, there is a sort of culture for vegetarianism, where every Thursday, and I put the name here, there's a particular sort of culture, and they try to encourage being vegetarian. Last but not least, I absolutely love the city there. It's quite calm, it's quite refreshing. It does give you a sort of friendly vibes and friendly aura, particularly with the nature aspect, the green aspects, trees and so forth everywhere. It's bicycle friendly, you will find that quite eco, and I absolutely love the quiet and tranquility that is with the city. So I would say yes, definitely come here, subscribe, like and share.